Hi children, this class is for standard 5 and the subject is mathematics. In this class, we are going to see chapter number 6 fractions, exercise 6.5. Topics covered in this class are subtraction of fractions. Under subtraction of fractions, we are going to see like fraction as well as unlike fraction. Subtraction of fractions. Subtracting like fractions. To subtract like fractions, subtract the numerator and retain the common denominator. When we get the like fractions, we need to subtract only the numerator part and we need to retain the denominator part as it is. Example, 11 by 8 minus 6 by 8. Here, the denominators are same. Therefore, 11 by 8 minus 6 by 8 equal to 11 minus 6 divided by 8. So, 11 minus 6 equal to 5. So, which is equal to 5 by 8. Here, we got the answer in the format of proper fraction. Always remember, if the answer is an improper fraction, we need to change the improper fraction to mixed fraction and also in the reduced form. Subtracting unlike fractions. Exercise 6.5, page number 82. First question, subtract the proper fractions. A question, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 20. Here, the denominators are 4 and 20, which are different. So, the first step is to find the LCM of 4 and 20. So, we know how to find the LCM. So, both the numbers can be divided by 2, which gives the answer 2, 10. Again, it is divided by 2, we get 1, 5. Again, it is divided by 5, we get 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20. LCM of 4 and 20 is 20. Therefore, let us take the first fraction 3 by 4. We need to convert the denominator into 20. So, 4 5s are 20. When we multiply the denominator by 5, we need to multiply the numerator by 5. So, 3 into 5 by 4 into 5, which is equal to 15 by 20. Again, we take the second fraction. Here we have the denominator as 20. So, it is enough to multiply by 1. So, 1 into 1 by 20 into 1 equal to 1 by 20. Now, we got both the denominators as 20. So, we can directly subtract only the numerator, that is 15 minus 1 equal to 14 by 20. Now, look at this. It can be reduced to the lowest form. So, both the numbers can be divided by 2. So, 2 sevens are 14 and 2 tens are 20. So, which is equal to 7 by 20. So, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 20 equal to 7 by 10. Subtracting mixed fraction. Exercise 6.5, page number 82. Subtracting the mixed fractions. A question, 11 1 by 3 minus 6 11 by 12. The first step is to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let us take the first fraction 11 1 by 3, which is equal to 11 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 34 by 3. The next fraction 6 11 by 12. We need to multiply 6 into 12 plus 11 by 12, which is equal to 83 by 12. Now the fractions are having different denominators. So we need to take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 12. So 3, 12, both the numbers can be divisible by 3. We get 1, 4. We need to divide it by 2. We get 1, 2. Again we divide by 2, we get 1 comma 1. Therefore, the LCM is 3 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 12. So, LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. Now, we need to convert the fractions with the denominator 12. So, 3 fours are 12. So, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. So, 34 into 4 divided by 3 into 4, which is equal to 136 divided by 12. Again, the second fraction, 83 by 12. Since we have the denominator 12, it is enough to multiply by 1, which gives 83 by 12. Now, we got both the denominators as same. So, we can directly subtract only the numerator 136 minus 83, which is equal to 53 divided by 12. Since this is in the format of improper fraction, we need to convert it into mixed fraction, which is equal to 4, 5 by 12. Therefore, 11, 1 by 3 minus 6, 11 by 12 equal to 4, 5 by 12. Thank you, children.